crossing the hustle and bustle, passing through the crowd, to reach the meeting in the office building on time. This is the daily routine for many people. A hotel located in Maastricht city, hidden in the natural environment and equipped with humanized technology, it breaks the suffocating daily routine. Let's hear how General Manager Paul Janmaat made it happen.
My name is Paul Janmaat. I'm Director of Buitenplaats Vaeshartelt. Vaeshartelt has 14 conference rooms, and for all conference rooms we have chosen for touchscreens. And there are another few conference rooms where the beamers are installed. And besides, we've chosen for the 15 InstaShows.
My name is Jurgen Kwak. I'm Key Account Manager of BenQ Benelux for the Pro AV. We talked about the solutions. What do they really want? They want it very easily to be used and everything. So we talked about our touchscreens. Together with the powerful InstaShow WDC20 with the touchback functionality, that was the best solution for their rooms. So we did 14 rooms with the IFPs and one room also with a laser projector.
My name is Patrick van Helden. I'm working for Rico Documentcentral Zuid. Who we are the local hub of Rico in the Netherlands. We're focusing also on SME customers to help them with their workflows but also with their communication solutions. We are the system integrator for Vaeshartelt. We help them with the overview of the whole solution to bring all the parties together, and we hope that we can do more business with BenQ in the region.
Users are really surprised on the usage and the easiness of the touchscreens. What you see is that they use it on a very natural way, which makes it easy to sell for us as an additional product to the meeting rooms we have. Well, BenQ is a well-known product, and a product which gives us confidence. Reliability is of most importance for us. Besides, we have had good conditions, so finally it made an easy choice.